By replacing the damaged ECT sensor, you can easily fix the P0430 error code by yourself. It means your catalyst system. Efficiency is below the threshold near engine bank 2, which indicates that the catalytic converter is not functioning efficiently, so the vehicle is increasing the output of harmful pollutants. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty catalytic converter. Malfunctioning downstream oxygen sensor on bank 2. Exhaust leaks. Damaged wiring related to the oxygen sensors. Issues with the air-fuel mixture. This video is going to show you a practical solution to fix the error code. In most cars, the primary ECT sensor is installed near the thermostat in the cylinder head. The ECT sensor, or the Engine Coolant Temperature sensor, is an engine management system sensor that is used to monitor the temperature of the engine's coolant. Remove the ECT sensor from the engine. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the ECT sensor at an ambient temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The sensor resistance is between 2,000 ohms to 3,000 ohms. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the ECT sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. This engine code appears in Ford, Honda, Chevrolet, Nissan, Dodge, Toyota, and many other vehicles. So here are the most practical solutions to fix P0430 error code. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.